For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling with your old blender? Do you find yourself stuck with a device that can't handle even the simplest tasks? /N. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the Oster Versa Pro. It's not just another overpriced blender that promises the world but fails to deliver. Therefore, if you're considering buying this product, keep watching because I'm about to reveal some shocking truths. First off, let's talk about the design and build quality of this thing. On paper, it looks like a sleek and modern machine, but trust me, it feels cheap in your hands. The materials used are flimsy at best, and the plastic construction creaks and groans with every use. But what really caught my attention was the lack of any real innovation or thoughtfulness in its design. It's just a rehashed version of older blenders without any real improvements. Now, let's get to the performance. I was expecting a lot more from this expensive machine. The motor is underpowered and it struggles even with simple tasks like blending frozen fruit or making smoothies. And don't even get me started on the speed settings. They're woefully inadequate for anything but the most basic tasks. But here's where things take a turn for the worse. The customer support from Oster is abysmal. I've heard countless stories of customers being left high and dry when their blender breaks with no assistance or guidance from the manufacturer. Therefore, if you're someone who values having a reliable product that will last, this might not be the best choice. One thing I did find somewhat redeeming was the cleaning process. It's relatively easy to clean and the parts are dishwasher safe. But considering how often you'll need to use it, that's hardly a consolation. But here's what really gets my goat, the price. With an MSRP of over $200, this blender is one of the most expensive on the market. And for what? A subpar machine with no real innovation or value added. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new blender, I'd advise against the Oster Versa Pro. Not only will it leave you disappointed and frustrated, but it'll also burn a hole in your wallet. However, there are some other options out there that might be worth considering, products that actually deliver on their promises without breaking the bank. Check out our channel for more reviews and comparisons of various blenders. Now, before I wrap up this review, let me remind you, if you're still interested in buying the Oster Versa Pro, make sure to click the link in the description below for the best price available. And if you've already bought it and are experiencing some of these issues, consider reaching out to Oster's customer support, or better yet, take a look at our other reviews for more reliable options. In conclusion, the Oster Versa Pro is not worth your hard-earned cash. With its subpar design, underpowered motor, and abysmal customer support, it's a blender that will leave you disappointed and frustrated. Therefore, if you want to avoid wasting your money, look elsewhere, or better yet, stick with a tried-and-true brand that actually delivers on their promises. For the best price, click the link in the description below.